Confused about which Linux distro to use? Debian, Arch, Fedora, or Ubuntu? Each one's built differently, and your choice really depends on how deep you want to go. Let's break it all down. Debian is the foundation. Super stable, minimal, and perfect if you want full control without surprises. It's great for servers and long-term systems, but the software is older and less flashy. Arch Linux is rolling release, fully customizable, and made for users who want to build everything themselves. You learn a lot, but setup takes time, and it breaks easily if you're not careful. Fedora is cutting-edge but stable, backed by Red Hat, and ideal for developers who want the latest software fast. It's well-polished with great GNOME support and strong default security tools. Ubuntu is user-friendly, based on Debian, and works right out of the box. It's perfect for beginners with tons of community support and fast setup, but some dislike snap packages and Canonical's control. Pick Debian for stability, Arch for full control, Fedora for modern dev tools, and Ubuntu for easy setup. Each one is the best depending on you. This has been How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.